The 2006 Suzuki Gixxer 1300, also known as the Hayabusa, gained popularity for its powerful engine, sleek aerodynamic design, and unique features. Here are three key points about it. The 2006 Hayabusa is equipped with a very potent engine with a robust 1299cc four-cylinder engine delivering high horsepower and torque. This engine made the motorcycle one of the fastest in its class, capable of reaching impressive speeds. Hayabusa has a streamlined design and is celebrated for its aerodynamic design, enhancing high-speed stability. Its distinctive streamlined look, featuring a large fairing and sleek bodywork, not only improves performance, but it also gives it an iconic appearance in the sport bike community. Before we go into the last fact, I want to mention our sponsor, us. We have an eBay store filled with used parts from the motorcycles you see getting disassembled here, including this Hayabusa. So go ahead and check out the link in the description to check out our inventory for the Hayabusa, or go to the channel bio to see our full inventory link. With that being said, let's go into the next fact, which is that the Hayabusa has the top speed limit. In 2006, the Hayabusa had a top speed limiter set at 186 miles per hour, adhering to an industry agreement. This sparked discussions among motorcycle enthusiasts. The limiter was eventually removed in later models, allowing the bike to reach higher speeds. Keep in mind that details may vary based on regional differences and individual modifications by owners.
Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.